Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add text to your Canva project. So let's start. First, what you want to do is create a design and then custom dimensions. Okay, let's create something, and then you will have it here, the text. I choose it and you have three default styles: the subheading, little bit of body text, and heading. Let's start with a heading, and you can easily make it bigger, smaller, or whatever. Now you have plenty of combinations that you can do. You can use best sellers. This is like really great if you have your own catalog of products or something like that. So that's pretty cool. Graphic design, so many of them. Look at this, and they're all for free, so this is pretty good. Or even this price here, that's pretty cool. And then so you can just mess with it and find really something good for you. But yeah, when we have it here, hold a second, like that. Okay, what you can do is easily change the font if you would like to choose whatever you want. Then you can change the size, the color, and spacing, and then you can duplicate it and change the position. That's pretty simple. And change the transparency, the opacity. So this is how we add text in Canva. If this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. So thank you very much everybody. Have a great day and see you in the next video.